Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best beginner drum sets that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Spoit electronic drum set, the most budget-friendly option on our list with a price of just $36.99. This roll-up drum pad is perfect for kids and beginners who are looking for a portable and easy-to-use drum set. It features 9 drum pads covering all the essentials like toms, cymbals, snare, bass, and pedals. With 7 timbres, 10 demo songs, and 9 rhythms, it offers a surprising amount of variety for its price point. The design is compact and lightweight, making it ideal for travel or small spaces. The built-in rechargeable battery provides up to 10 hours of playtime, so you can jam anywhere without worrying about power. The stereo speakers deliver impressive sound quality for its size, and the headphone jack lets you practice quietly. Plus, the recording feature allows you to save your creative beats and compositions. While it's an excellent beginner option, this Spoit electronic drum set has its limitations. The silicone pads don't fully mimic the feel of traditional drum kits, and advanced drummers may find the sound quality lacking depth. However, for kids or anyone just starting out, this set is hard to beat for the price. If you're looking for an affordable, portable drum kit, this is a great pick. At number 4, we have the Eastrock drum set, priced at $91.99. This 3-piece acoustic drum kit is designed specifically for younger players aged 5 to 7 years old. It includes a 14-inch bass drum, an 8-inch snare drum, a tom, and an 8-inch crash cymbal, along with all the hardware like pedals, an adjustable throne, drumsticks, and a drum key. The smaller size and lighter weight make it easier for kids to handle and play, which is perfect for developing coordination and rhythm skills. The build quality is commendable, with multi-ply poplar wood shells and sturdy chrome hardware ensuring durability and rich, warm tones. The high-gloss finish adds a vibrant, fun aesthetic that kids will love. Assembling the kit requires adult supervision, but the included instructions make setup straightforward. Once assembled, it provides a reliable foundation for learning basic drumming techniques. The Eastrock drum set is a solid choice for beginners, but it's worth noting that it's designed for younger children, and older kids or more advanced players may outgrow it quickly. Additionally, the sound quality is decent, but doesn't compete with more advanced kits. Still, for under $100, it's a great first drum set that helps kids develop their musical creativity and expression. Coming in at number 3 is the Roquefunk 3-piece kids drum set, priced at $89.99. This drum set is thoughtfully designed for children aged 3 to 10 years old and includes a 14-inch bass drum, 10-inch snare drum, an 8-inch tom, a cymbal, responsive pedals, drumsticks, and an adjustable padded seat. Everything is sized specifically for kids, making it comfortable and easy for them to play. The drum shells are crafted from premium poplar wood, using a 9-ply lamination process, ensuring excellent resonance and durability. The lightweight yet sturdy construction produces a clear and full-bodied tone on every strike. The brushed blue finish adds a sleek and modern touch, making this set visually appealing. Assembly is straightforward, with standardized screw interfaces and guided video instructions. While the Roquefunk drum set is perfect for sparking musical curiosity and fostering rhythm skills, its lightweight build may not satisfy advanced drummers or older kids looking for a more robust sound. Additionally, the included cymbal is more basic in quality. Still, as a beginner set, it provides excellent value for young, aspiring drummers, making it an ideal gift for children. At number 2, we have the Mendini by Cecilio kids drum set, priced at $129.99. This 3-piece junior drum kit is perfect for entry-level drummers and comes with a 16-inch bass drum, a 10-inch snare, a 10-inch tom, a 9.5-inch cymbal, drumsticks, and an adjustable padded seat. The drum shells are made of horizontally grained poplar wood, providing high strength, even vibration, and a clear, powerful sound. The metallic red finish is eye-catching and adds a dazzling glow to any space. while the triangular fixation structure and anti-slip rubber feet ensure stability. The kit is easy to assemble with detailed instructions and provides a full, robust sound quality that beginners will appreciate. Its design combines durability and aesthetics, making it a great starter drum set for kids and teens. While the Mendini drum set is well-rounded and offers great performance for beginners, it may feel limited for older or more advanced players due to its smaller configuration. Nonetheless, with its high-quality construction and striking appearance, it's an excellent choice for anyone starting their drumming journey. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the AODSK electric drum set, priced at $186.99. This premium electric drum kit comes with everything you need to start drumming. 4 6.5-inch drum pads, 3 8-inch cymbals, a drum module, a drum throne, drumsticks, headphones, and all necessary cables. It's designed for all ages and proficiency levels, making it suitable for kids, teens, and even adults. The AED 400 delivers 150 authentic acoustic drum sound samples, 15 drum kits, and 10 demo songs, offering an immersive drumming experience. The drum pads are made of durable silicone, providing realistic bounce and responsiveness. The compact foldable design makes it easy to store and transport, while features like the built-in metronome, LED display, AUX input, and USB MIDI output allow for creative exploration and silent practice. Though it's the most expensive option on this list, the AODSK electric drum set offers unmatched versatility and realism, making it worth the investment for serious beginners or anyone looking to explore digital drumming. The only downside is that its advanced features might feel overwhelming for very young children. Overall, it's the ultimate choice for those who want a complete, high-quality drumming experience. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.